Moving day, number 2. So as you guys can see, since day number 1, not much has changed. We got the router brought in, I got some help. We got the table saw on here. We got this guy installed. There's a little bit of a bear to get around the router. So tonight we are going to get this situated. I gotta figure out where to place it. I figured out that because of this design that I made, the little L bracket, you can see over here that I block this guy, this outlet. If I go on the other side, it does the same thing. Or I moved everything so this one wasn't blocked right here, so it wouldn't be blocked. So I might have to come to the other side, scoot everything over. So I wanted to put this shelf rack here. It's one of those Rubbermaid stackable shelves. So I'm probably gonna scoot this over, get this over here so I can still use that guy and the one way over there. And then we'll start moving. We'll put the top over there on the other workbench. And we'll start moving some of this stuff into the workbench behind me. I got the table there. That also came in since day 1. And yeah, probably get you set up over there on my stools. But yeah, hold on and then I'll get to work. Alright, so quick update. You probably saw me kind of struggling putting this guy on. It's been a little while. I actually designed all this, so I could hopefully mostly put it all together myself with the little island piece, and then this piece goes on top. And I put these little ledges on there, that way I could just scoot it up on there. It would rest. These are just going to rest there, and there's a bracket there to hold this brace across. And basically all the corners just get screwed down in. But yeah, look at that. Apparently I still can't get to it. So I might leave that the way it is right now. I still got this guy to use for the computer, and if I have a printer or two here. So, or heck, even then I might go from that one over there to the computer. That way it's on a different breaker than the router and the shop vac that's going to be behind it. So yeah, now it's on. I got to put the little platform for the shop vac back here. Put that on, start screwing things down, and then we'll start putting stuff away. I know that the little cubby hole right there, that is for that guy, the compressor. So I'll throw that in there. I also got to install that. It's probably going to go somewhere up here-ish. Got to find the studs so I can mount it. Oh yeah, I also saw that I have my French cleat stuff. Put that up on the wall. See if I have enough time tonight to do that. But yeah, flip this table around, put it here, screw stuff down, start putting stuff away, and hopefully can at least get that done tonight, and then worry about cleanup later on. So here we go. End of day do. So you can see it's a lot more room for activities around here. So got everything installed. Of course, everything's not put away. You can see a bunch of everything is on the workbenches, but I got things straightened out a lot more. Definitely not done. Got to clear off all that stuff. You can see me over here earlier. I was struggling with this. I really wanted this guy to be turned going long way this way, and I had to take off the 2x4 that was here. You can see it's been there for a while. But then when I got up to this top level, this was still too wide, and of course I can't take that off, so that sucks. So I'm not a big fan of this little corner. Got the toolbox there, and it's just a bunch of awkward space right here, just here. So right now this is my trash can area, but yeah, I'm hoping I can figure out a better way of organizing things. See, this area still look clear. TBD, future, stay tuned. Yeah, so you can see this workbench. Normally this is going this way in the shop to line with the table saw right there. You can see here it's a little bit sanded down. That's so it lines right up to the table saw, because I used to do some woodworking and had long cuts. But yeah, got a bunch of empty boxes over here now. Got a few more boxes here. Found more of the lathe stuff. Control box. Talked about that earlier. Some of the other controls, and this is kind of cool. Probably put this together later. Little worm gearbox. This is back when I was in college. That's kind of fun. Oh, I'm losing pieces. But yeah. Got to put some drills away. I was able to slowly find all my drills. That guy. OG drill. Black & Decker. Or no, Porter cable. My very first drill. So yeah, it's coming together. Hopefully sometime soon. I don't know if I'll do a video of day 3. I might just clean up and not have to worry about the video, and then maybe do some Instagram stuff, or put that guy up on the wall or ceiling. But yeah, thanks for joining me in my journey. Hashtag one step closer. So yeah, we are one step closer, and hopefully be doing fun stuff soon. So peace.